Hello people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. In the last video, we saw how to use any picture in our Scratch project. And we also completed the designing part of our maze game. If you have not watched the previous video, then I advise you to watch that video first and then come back for this video. I have given the link of the first part in the description. If you have not watched that, then please go and watch that first and then come back. So in this video, we will do the coding part of the project. For that, we have to learn a new concept, that is the coordinates. So firstly, let's do the coding part that don't require coordinates, and then I will understand the coordinates and then we'll continue the coding. All right. So what we have done till now is we have created this ball and we have placed it over here, and we have created this home button that we have placed over here. So what we have to do is we have to control this ball through our arrow keys of the keyboard, and we need to move it so that it does not touch the black area of our maze and it can successfully reach the home button. For that, firstly, we will fix the positions of the ball and the home button. For that, what I'll do is I'll go to the events and I'll say that when green flag is clicked, then it should go to this position, whatever position this is. Okay. Then I'll go to the home button and I'll do the same thing. When green flag is clicked, it should also go to this position. All right. So I have fixed the position. So if the game ends and the ball is over here, so if I restart it, the ball will go to the starting position. Okay. Now, the next thing that we have to do over here is now I want to control this ball through my arrow keys of the keyboard. For that, I want that if I click on the up arrow key, the ball should go up. Okay. So now see, there are various ways to give the keys. One is in events when space key pressed. So if I click on this space, there are all the keys of your keyboard. You can select whichever key you want to give. Okay. You can use A, S, D, and W key also. That is your wish. I prefer to use the arrow keys. There is another way through sensing. There is this button, key pressed. Here also all the keys of your keyboard is given. I also tell you what is the difference between both of them. Both the ways that you can see on my screen, I'll tell you the difference as well. So for now, let's keep this one. Okay. And we'll see how to make the ball go upwards. Now I want to give a motion to my ball. Okay. One way is that I change the direction of the ball. I tell it to I give this direction and then tell it to move in that particular direction, like this. See, now the ball is going up. This is also a way you can use this way as well to move the things. If I select this direction and I tell it to move, see, the ball is going in this direction now, like this. Okay, so this is one way. But we are here to learn coordinates, so we'll do this with the help of coordinates now. All right. So what are coordinates? Here, you can see this X and Y. These are the coordinates. They are known as X's. Okay. You must have heard about two-dimensional and three-dimensional movies, 3D movies, right? Now, what are those 3D movies? And what is the difference between 2D and 3D? Now, if I talk about 2D, two dimension, it is X and Y. Okay. And if I talk about 3D, it is X, Y, and the third one is Z. So X and Y means from here, you can see the arrows. X means if you want to go left and right. Y means if you want to go up and down. Now our screen that is there over here is two-dimensional. We can go left, right, we can go up and down. Now what is this Z over here? It is for coming front and going back. But on the screen, you cannot do that, right? How can you come in front and go back? There is no possibility for that. There are 3D games as well. That is an illusion that we'll see later on. But right now we are creating a two-dimensional only. We just want the ball to go up, down, and left, right. So we'll just create a two-dimensional. We'll just focus on X and Y. Okay. Now, to understand it in a better way, we'll be using this image over here. Okay. There are so many images. If you just search this word coordinates on Google, you will get these images easily. Now, see, over here, you can see some numbers are written, right? The number for X is minus 131 and for Y is minus 93. What happens is, over here, it is like this. The center of our stage, this point, is 0 and 0. X is also 0 and Y is also 0. Now, if we see this image, just see. The center is 0 and 0. Okay. If we want to go left, this is X, this is also X. Y and Y. Okay. Now, but there are two X. How to know if you want to go left or if you want to go right? So if you want to go left, it is minus X. And if you want to go right, it is plus X. If you want to go up, it is plus Y. And if you want to go down, it is minus Y. Right? Now all the four directions are separated. Now let's see. If I want to go towards the right side, I can see that the value of X is increasing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I want to go left, I can see from 5. If I want to go left, I can see that the value is decreasing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And once it reaches 0, it is going towards the negative. Same as with Y. If I'm going upwards, the value of Y is increasing. And if I'm going downwards, the value of Y is decreasing. Okay. But what if, let's suppose I am over here, this red colored dot. What is my position? So when you're talking about the position, first you tell Y, first you tell X, and then you tell Y. So what is the value of X over here? If I draw the line on the X, it is 2. And if I draw this line on Y, it is 1. So this position is 2 and 1. X is 2 and Y is 1. Okay. Now let's suppose I have a dot over here, this one. Okay. So now, firstly, I'll see X, then I'll see Y. So for seeing X, I'll draw a line on X. What I got 5. To know about Y, I'll draw a line on Y and I got a 4. So my Y is 4. Okay. This is how we see X and Y. Now, if I come back to this project, now see, the X and Y that is written over here, I have selected the ball over here. So the X and Y that is written over here is telling you the position of this ball. Okay. Now see, if I place it, if I write 0 and 0 over here, the ball is in the center now. The ball is exactly in the center of the stage now. Okay. Now if I increase the value of X from here, you can see the value of X is increasing if I'm going right. Right now X is 0, I'll increase it and I'll put it 100. So the ball should go towards right. Now if I click, the ball went towards the right direction. Okay, so this is how it works. To practice it a little bit more, I will give you the link of this game in the description. I'll tell you how to play this game. So here, there are different levels for this game. This is beginner level. You can keep on practicing and you can keep on going to the next levels. So I'll explain the beginner level. So the target is 7 and 3. I told you that firstly we see X and then we see Y. Firstly, it is written 7, so that means X is 7. Then it is written 3, so that means Y is 3. So how to do now? What I'll do is, I'll take this X, that is 7. X is this line, the blue line. 7, where is 7 over here? This. So I'll take it and I'll draw a line over here. I'll see this line. Okay. Now my line is not clear, but roughly we can see the line. Okay. Then for y, I need 3. 3 is over here. Now from 3, I'll just draw a line. Okay, wait. I'll just draw this x also in a better way. This is x, and for y, we have 3. So on 3, I'll be drawing this line. Okay, now where are both the points meeting? They are meeting over here, right? So what I'll do is I'll just click on this. I got 5 points. See, the score is 5 now. And my target is updated now. Now I got a second target, that is 2, 2. So x2 is over here and y2 is over here. So again, I'll draw the lines like this and like this. I got where they are meeting over here. So I'll just click on it. Okay, now the problem is that you cannot draw on the screen. So what you will do is just keep a finger on 2. See, okay, I'll do this one without the pen just to show you I'll be using it. So 5 and 3, what is x? X is 5, right? So where is x5? Over here. Where is y3? Over here. So what I'll do is I'll move my finger from here. I'll move. I stop here. Have I reached 3? No, I have only reached 2. Again, I'll move to the next one. Have I reached 3? Yes, I have reached 3. So I'll stop over here. Okay, you can start from x or you can start from y, and I'll just click on it. Like this. Now I have 5, 1. So I'll take 5 of x and I'll start from here. I'll start moving and moving and moving. Have I reached 1? Yes, I was told to go till 1 only, so I've reached 1. So I'll just click over there like this. So this is how you have to play the game. Once you have understood this, then you can go to the next levels. Now what about 0 and 4? X is 0 now and y is 4. How to do this? Where is x 0? Over here, right? And where is y? From x, I'll start going towards up from 0 and I'll go till 4 of y. And I'll just click over here. So just keep on practicing this game a little bit and it will be easy for you to understand the coordinates. Okay. Now we'll come back to our project. Now let's see how to make this ball move. So when, firstly I'll do the up arrow. When up arrow is clicked. Now in motion, I have these 4 blocks. One is, okay, when I'm talking about up and down means y, right? So we'll talk about y. We have 2 blocks for y. Now let's understand the difference between change and set. Do you remember we had this change and set block in variables also? What this set block was doing is whatever I'm writing over here, if I write 40 over here and I click on it, see the value over here is changed to 40. So whatever I will write in the set block, my ball will go to that particular y only. If I write 150 and I click on it, see over here, y is becoming 150 and my ball has reached over here. Okay. If I put a bigger number, the ball will go up. If I put a smaller number, like I'm putting 50 now, I'm clicking on it, the ball came down. If I put a negative 40, it will come more down. And what will happen if I say change y by 10? So now, see, I'll make it as, okay, I'll put y as 0. Now see, if I click on, okay, just focus on the y right now. Don't see the x, okay, because x is not changing. Now, if I click on change y by 10, right now it is 0. I clicked on it and it became 10. Right now it is 10. Earlier it was 0. It came to 10. Now it is 10. I'm clicking on it. It came to 20. Now it is 20. I'm again clicking on it. It became 30. So change means keep on adding that number. So it will keep on adding 10. And because we are adding 10, That means we are increasing the value of y. And if we increase the value of y, see the ball, it is going upwards. Increasing y means upwards. But instead of 10, if I write down minus 10, now see the ball. I'm clicking and it is coming down. Right now it is 0, it is going minus 10, minus 20, minus 30. Now, because I'm putting a minus, that means decreasing. And if I decrease the value of y, it will go downwards like this. Okay, so we don't need this set block because we have already done this goto. Goto is also same as set. Now you understood how this goto block works. Okay, because I'm telling it to go to this particular position only. Now, let's understand the difference between this one and this one also. So how to use this one? For this, I need a if block. If up arrow key is pressed. And I'll take one more. And I'll put a minus 10 over here. Okay, or I'll put a 10. Okay, and I'm pasting it over here and this one over here. Okay, now if I click on this, see. Okay. Now for making this one work, what we need to do is we need to put it inside a forever, like this. Okay. So how this works is, if I place it over here, I'm clicking on the up arrow and it is moving very quickly. If I say this one, it will go a bit slower. You have to click on it again and again if you are using this when up arrow key pressed. So if you want a smoother motion, take this if block, do it in the if way. And if you want a slower motion, then you can go with this one. For this game, this if condition will work in a better way. Now, why we have put this inside a forever block? Can you tell me? Try to think about it. Okay, I hope you thought about it. If you want to think more, you can just pause the video and think. I'll tell you the reason. Because, see, if I place it over here, what computer do is, computer quickly reads the commands. 0.1 second to read this, 0.1 second to read this, and 0.1 second to read this. It will quickly read this. As soon as I clicked on the green flag, computer read all the commands and my up arrow key is not working. Why? Because as soon as we started the project, computer checked this condition. Is the up arrow key pressed? No. The return was no, it is not pressed. Computer said, okay, then I'll go to the next command. There is no further command, so the project stopped over there. Okay, but we can press on the up arrow key at any time. So computer should keep on checking it again and again. Okay, until what time it should check? Forever. Till the game is working, it should check. So forever, if it is pressed, then it should move upwards. Understood why we have used the forever? So the computer keeps on checking it again and again. Now, I want the same thing for down arrow also. So one way is that you take the another if, then you go to sensing, then you take it another one, then you go over here and you take this one, like this. Or what you can do is, you can right click on it. See, right click on the if block and click on duplicate. Now see, you got a same set of coding and I'll paste it over here. Okay. Now one is for up, second is for down. Now if I want to go down, you can see that the y is reducing. So to reduce it, I'll put a minus 10 over here. Okay. Now I want both the ifs again. So I'll just click on the first if again and duplicate. Now I got two set. Now I want it for the left arrow, for the right arrow. Now for the left and right, we don't need x, we need y. Sorry, we don't need y, we need x. So for left, if I see it over here, if I'm talking about left, it is negative. So I'll put a minus 10 over here. And for right, I'll just keep it as a 10 because I want it to increase, positive 10. Now, if I click on the green flag and I check it, see, my ball is moving perfectly fine. All right, so I hope this much is clear to you. Now, the next thing is that this ball should not be allowed to go to the black area. As soon as it touches the black area, it should be sent back to the starting position. So let's keep it over here and let's create this condition. Now it is touching a color, right? It is not touching any other sprite, it is touching a color. So what I'll do is I'll take this touching color. What is the color it is touching? Black. So what we'll do is we'll take it over here. Now it is not sure that this is exactly which black is it. Is it this black or is it this black? So which black is it? What we'll do is we'll click on this button and just place it on the black area and click on it. It will automatically pick the color. Okay. Now see how am I saying it. If the ball touches the black area, then it should be sent back to the starting position. So I'm saying if, so I'll take the if block. If touching the black area. Now I'm doing the coding in the ball, so it is quite obvious that I'm talking about the ball, that the ball is touching the black area, like we did in the last project also. Then what it should do, it should be sent to the starting position. How to send it to a particular position? Using this go to block. But I'll not take the go to block from here. No, don't take that, because as you can see over here, the position on this go to block and the position on this go to block is different. So what I'll do is I'll take the forever, I place it over here, I right click on it and I duplicate it so that I get the same X and Y values. That is for the starting position, and I place it over here. Okay. Now, when should this condition, when should this be checked? Again, it should be checked forever till the project is working. And when should it start working? As soon as the green flag is clicked. As soon as the green flag is clicked, forever it should keep on checking this condition. If the color black is touched, if the color black is touched, again and again and again. And as soon as it is touched, it will be sent back to the starting position. Okay. Now the second thing is that, okay, my ball is moving fine. Now let's try it. Now I'll go up. Now let's try to touch the black. See, as soon as I touch black, my ball is sent back to the starting position. Now the second thing I want is that if the ball touches this sprite, this home sprite, it should win the game. Again, if sensing, now this time it is touching another sprite. So we'll take this sprite block. If touching home button, and this I'm going to attach with this one. I'm putting in the same forever. You can put it in a separate forever also, that is your wish. Now if this happens, then what it should do, it should say congratulations. Now over here you can use the previous project and you can create separate backdrops for the winning and losing like we did in the previous project, and you can use the same coding over here also. But here I'm showing you a separate type of coding that you can do for winning and losing also. So it can just say congratulations for 2 seconds, and then we'll just stop all. We'll just stop the game. Okay. If you don't want to stop everything, you can just stop the script. Just keep it all. Okay. We'll just stop everything over here. All right. Now you can try to play the game. I'll show you how it works. Okay. And if this touches this house button, it says congratulations. And then it stops the game. Now you'll say, okay, then the player will just win it. They will just place it over here. No, if I go to full screen, then I cannot move the ball with the mouse. I'll have to use the arrow keys only. Okay, if I try, see, it is not moving. So user cannot move the mouse to move it. Only the arrows are allowed. So I hope this project is also clear to you. So from here, I'll just rename it to Maze Game and share. Now, once you're sharing the project, just remember to give the instructions. Okay, give proper instructions to the user. Tell them that they have to use the arrow keys to move up and down. They have to reach the they they have to reach the home button to win the game, and they should not touch the black area of the game. Give proper instructions over here so that whosoever is playing your game, they can understand what they have to do. So this was all about the coding part of the game. In this video, we learned the concept of coordinates and saw how to use them in Scratch. I hope this concept and the project is clear to you. If you have created your maze game, then give the link of your game in the comment section below. Alright, then we will be meeting in the next class and we'll be seeing some more new projects over there. Till then, if you have not watched the previous videos of our Scratch course, then please go and watch them. And if you like my videos, then please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye. Take care.